Affiliate marketing in 2025? It's not dead. It's smarter, faster, and easier than ever if you know the game. And today, I'm handing you the step-by-step blueprint to start making passive income, even if you're starting from zero. I went from Googling how to make money online to earning commissions while I sleep. No products, no customer service, just smart systems. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this too, even if you're broke, busy, or tech challenged. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital middleman. You promote someone else's product. If someone buys through your link, you get paid. Simple. Don't just promote random stuff. Choose a niche that people care about. Think fitness, AI tools, money hacks, or dating advice. Pick something you're interested in or that solves a real problem. Here are 3 beginner-friendly platforms in 2025. ClickBank 2.0, still alive and better than ever. PartnerStack, great for SaaS tools. Amazon Associates, great for beginners. And don't forget to check directly on brand websites. Scroll to the bottom and look for affiliate. You'll be surprised how many have one. This is where the magic happens. You need to create value-packed content around your product. Choose your platform: YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, blogs, or email newsletters. Pro tip: answer questions people are searching. Use tools like Google Trends, AnswerThePublic, or even just autocomplete. When you share a link, always disclose it's an affiliate link. It builds trust and keeps you legal. Put links in YouTube descriptions, IG bio, blog posts, email footers, and shorten them using tools like Bitly or Pretty Links. Want to win long-term? Build trust. People buy from creators they like and trust. Show your face. Share your story. Be real. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is all about authenticity over hype. Want to speed things up? Use AI tools to write scripts, emails, and social posts. And set up a simple funnel, like a free guide email list affiliate offer. Now you're not just making sales, you're building an asset. Ready to start today? I've dropped my favorite free affiliate programs and tools in the description. Hit that like, subscribe, and drop "I'm starting today" in the comments so I can cheer you on.